Today I'm fishing. It's gonna be a good day of fishing, I hope. I hope I catch a big bass. That's what I'm really hoping for. I think I'm gonna use this. Oh, look at all that bait right there. See the minnows? Oh, there's a big spider right there. Oh yeah, he's big. That one. Oh yeah, those sunnies are dead. Gosh, backlash. That looks good. Look at all that bait right there. Baby bass. Those are all baby bass. Maybe I should go. Oh, a bass just jumped over there. Yesterday I caught a rock bass. Oh, it was about 12 inches. It was a nice one. But we don't keep rock bass. I was using this rod and reel. Oh, see that bass just jump, or that might have been a sunfish. Going over here. Look at how clear the water is right now. Just so clear. Dang, bad cast. I saw a bass over there this morning when I was fishing. I didn't get it on camera, but I didn't catch it, sadly. Dang. Today's my lucky day of casting. Barely. Cast. Bruh. Gosh. I only have 1.5 functioning bait casters. You might be wondering why I said 1.5, because there's another one, but it barely works. So it kind of works, but it kind of doesn't. Jeez. Keep getting these backlashes. Bird nests. I can't cast at all, which sucks. There we go, that's better. Bruh, why does this keep happening? This is like actually bad. Backlashers suck. I can't cast. This is sucky. Is that a fish? Hold on. I think a fish just jumped over here. Yeah. Over there. Oh, there's a sunfish. Oh, there's a bass. Shoot. No, 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 no. Stop it. Where is it? Come on. Look at my bait. Look at it. Look at it. No. Come on, does he see it? He sees it. He sees it. Is he interested? Do you guys see the bass? It's way at the bottom, not that sunfish. Gosh, I wish I had a different lure on this. Should I go get a different lure? So then I'll bite at it. Oh, there's his attention. I'm getting his attention more. Come on, bite it. Bite it. Get it. Come on. Something that would sink. Oh. Is he going far? He's getting attention. Oh, is he going far? He's not interested. Come on. Get interested in it. Okay. I gotta go quick. Where is he? Shoot, shoot, shoot. Where is he? Where'd he go? Come on. Bro. Literally. Come on. I gotta get another rod. He might be on this side. Is he over here? Please. Bro. Where is he? Okay, I need to put this on. I need to. Come on, let's go quick. Quick, 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 quick. I gotta find it. Let's go. Come on. Come on. Now I gotta find him again. This is not fun. You guys saw that bass, right? He was actually really big. Where could he have gone, though? That's my question. Like, could he have gone in the neighbors? Look at all those sunfish falling. Shoot. Is he over here? No. Gosh, I wish I was using a Senko. Maybe this will catch his eye. Sunny. Not what I'm looking for, though. Looking for a bass. That try scared it. Dang it. Who knows, maybe I can find him. Oh, I heard him. Heard him. Dang. Did you hear him? I did. Not what I want. Okay, that's good. He might be hiding under that bed of weed. He was interested in my line, but should I go to the neighbor's yard? Maybe I could catch something. It's over there. They have a boat and they're not there. But also they are a very cranky neighbor. Gosh, where would that bass? Where could have that bass gone? Dang it. Gosh. Only caught like 2 good bass. There's a sunfish. Oh, Oh, there's the bass. There he is. There he is. Take it. There we go. There we go. Got him. Got him. Got him. No. No. Mother Tucker, you. Mother Tucker. Mother Tucker. Gosh dang it, he got caught up in the weeds. And now he's gone. Maybe I can hook him again. If this would get unstuck. Come on. Gosh. This is my most lucky but unlucky day of fishing. See how much I'm shaking right now? Gosh, it's all tangled up at the Oh, that is not good. There's an actual knot right there. Look at how much line there is right there. That is actually not nice. Bro. Now I'm gonna spend all my time doing this when I can catch a fish. Do you see my leg right now? It's like shaking like crazy. If I would have set the hook better. Gosh. Dang it. Come on. This is like impossible. To get out. Like, what the heck? This is like impossible. I'd rather be catching a fish than doing this. Dang it. He had it in his mouth. Mother. Mother funner. Come on, bro. He had it in his mouth. Mother, father. There we go, I'm getting somewhere. I'm getting somewhere. Here we go. Here we go. Getting somewhere. Now, all I need to do is get this through this hole right here, which is like impossible. Come on. Come on. We got this. We got this. I'm gonna catch that bass. We're catching that bass. We're catching that bass. He's hiding under these lilies. He's hiding under these lily pads. That sunfish, that was the one that attracted the bass. bass was like, what's going on over here? And then he saw this, he bit it, I set the hook, he got caught in the weeds, and he tangled my line. God. Bass are like actually picky sometimes. Oops, not where I wanted it. Dang it, I'm snagged. Not for long. Oh, that little perch. Where's that bass now? Probably somewhere over there. Love it if I just know where he is. I just don't want to go over there, but I'm gonna. Okay, he's not over there. Maybe he's over here again? Not over there, so he has to be over there. What the? Oh, he might be by the bait. Gosh. Only fish would actually bite correctly. Do I take my kayak over there? No, let's just walk. Our neighbors can come in our yard, so I don't see why I can't go in theirs. You know? Okay. But golly, I wish I would have caught that frickin' bass. There's a chipmunk. Okay. I don't think they're home. I hope they're not. Hope there's some sunnies biting it. I just gotta get, oh, there's a bass. There's two actually. Over here. There he is. There's one. See it? It's not interested. There's two. Where'd that other one go? It's sunny. If only that bass would have bit it harder, then I would have had him. But we finding a bass. And we finna catch one. You know? Why are the Sunnies so interested in this worm? It's a Cinco. Okay, I think I might take my kayak because I don't like being on their dock. Because it just doesn't feel right. I know there's gotta be a bass in these lily pads. So let's take a little cast in there. Not like that. Just nice and easy. Hear that? That was a bass. You probably didn't hear that. Dang, it's caught. There, heard that? It's a bass. Just went up to eat some bait. Whenever, and that Sunny just absolutely tried to demolish it. Oh. These two Sunnies are going at it. They're trying to get this thing. Ready? Ready? See? That one he wasn't really trying there. Yeah. should just go on the kayak. We'll go over right by this reed bed. Dang, not where I wanted to cast. I should just go on my kayak and find spots. Or maybe on it. Get my... Gosh, I'm really mad that I didn't catch that. But... Because guess what? I always catch him bigger once they grow. I'm gonna check one more time to see if he's by that spot again. Just maybe. Just maybe it might be. Guess what? He just maybe. It's getting more into the day, so it's not as clear anymore. Just right now, I don't see anything. Oh, is that him? Alright, I think that's it for today, but let me know what I should do next. Maybe I should bass fish again and go on my kayak, or maybe I should actually catch a fish next time, or maybe I should give you a tour of my tackle box, or maybe just comment down below what you want me to do next, and I'll do, except it has to be fishing related though. And I can't buy anything or get anything, but yeah. So I will be seeing you in my next video. See ya. Yeah, I knew this was gonna happen, so that's like why I kind of didn't know to do it, you know? But guess what? It's okay, because I'm gonna wash it down, and then it'll be just fine. Cook. Cook. You should have seen the bass I almost caught.
You guys are so psycho. Is it a big one?
Yeah, it was like a 4-pounder. I'm so mad I missed it. I had him on my line.
Did you?
And then I set the hook and he got all caught up in the weeds. And then he tangled my line up.
I'm not seeing it. What do you want to eat? Wash your hands. Did you touch any fish?
No.
What do you want to eat though? Do you want scrambled eggs again like yesterday with toast? Huh?
Sure.
Or do you want a fried egg? What are you thinking?
I just want to catch a bass. I've never caught one. I've caught one. Getting this tape remains off.
Getting what?
This tape.
Why was it taped?
Because I was doing a video.